Today is Monday, Parashat Shelach Lecha. The beginning of this parasha speaks about the sending of a group of 12 spies, one from each tribe. They were very important people that were sent to the land of Canaan. But before they start their mission, before they go on their mission, Moshe Rabbeinu changes the name of Hoshea bin Nun. He makes it Yehoshua bin Nun. And why would Moshe Rabbeinu add an extra letter to the name of Hoshea? Was from the tribe of Ephraim. Why would he add the Yud to Hoshea bin Nun? What would make it the difference? Why? And Rashi explains that he added that letter Yud to make the beginning of the name of Hoshea to have both the letter Yud and He, which means it's one of the names of Hashem. And he intended Yah Yoshiacha me'atzat hameraglim, that Hashem will save you, because Hoshea is from the Hoshea, to save, and Yah is Hashem will save you from the intentions of these other spies. Because as we know, when they came back, 10 came back with a slanderous report about the land of Canaan, and from this Rashi we see already that in the beginning of their, even before they left on their mission, they already had that intention, to the point that Moshe Rabbeinu felt that he should add a letter to Hoshea bin Nun to make it, may Hashem save you from the intention of these people. And here we learn also a very important principle, that the name of a person has quite a meaningful impact on the type of character he has, what he will experience. The Hebrew letters are very powerful in terms of their spiritual energy, if you wish, and the name of a person is a very important aspect of his identity, of his character. So be careful and we choose names, and one letter extra, one letter taken off can impact the person and what happens with him, what he experiences, what he goes through. And in this case, Moshe Rabbeinu shows us, by adding that letter, he gave extra strength to Hoshea bin Nun when he became Yehoshua. Yoshiacha, Hashem will help you to overcome the persuasion or the influence of those negative other people who had bad intentions when they went and came back with the slanderous report. And why specifically Hoshea bin Nun? One of the explanations that is brought by the commentators is Yoshua bin Nun was a very humble person, and Moshe Rabbeinu was concerned that because of that humility that he might be influenced by the others. And there was also another reason that the Chafetz Chaim brings about, is that the fact that Yoshua bin Nun was the student, the disciple par excellence of Moshe Rabbeinu. If he would come back with even a certain minor level of negative report on the land of Israel, it would be something that would be more of a tragedy, because he is a student, a disciple of Moshe Rabbeinu. It would be a bad reflection even on Moshe, since he's one of his students. But regardless, the idea here is that the name of a person is very important. We have to be very careful not to shorten names or change them in any way. When you give a Jewish name to a child, the Jewish name has a big quality in terms of the meaning of the letters and the meaning of the words, and what that name means. It could be influenced by the quality of the person that is mentioned in the Torah or in the Tehillim, or a person that we know from our tradition what he represented. And all names are very meaningful in terms of the identity of the person. And Rabbi Ma'alanes Doresh Bishma used to, in many places in our teachings, he would show how the name of a person really indicated some of the qualities that are inherent in that person. So that's why Moshe Rabbeinu added that extra yud to give that more strength to the person of Hoshea, so that Hashem Yoshua Binun is a Yah Yoshiacha, Hashem may save you from the influence of those people. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen v'amen.